How's it going, everyone? My name is Spencer Somerville. I will be presenting my Overwater Bridge project for Dr. Nick's construction class. I want to start off with my case study. This incident took place in Minnesota. There was a 56-year-old bridge inspector that drowned after falling off the seawall of the bridge, which is the lower section of the bridge. He was not wearing a life jacket, so that's why he drowned and died. Some recommendations I have for this case study would be number one, to have life jackets available at all time and be wearing one at all time during the inspection, which the victim was not. Recommendation number two would be to be wearing the appropriate shoes. He was wearing tennis shoes, which ultimately killed him because that's not the right shoes to be wearing. It's very slick. He was standing on wet concrete covered in algae, so it's very slick. Yes, if he was wearing a life jacket, he probably would have lived, but obviously he wasn't. And then my third recommendation would be to have an emergency life-saving boat available at the location during the inspection. This part of my presentation, I'll be talking about my compliance and violations for my project. Let's start off with compliance number one. Standard number 1926.200. Standard title would be Accident Prevention Signs and Tags. Standard text: accident prevention signs and tags are required by this subpart, shall be visible at all times while working on the job site, and shall be removed or covered promptly when the hazards no longer exist. These cones I have displayed on this project is a clear compliance, letting the employees know not to cross into unsafe areas. Violation number two, standard number 1926.605-B-8. Standard title, Marine Operations and Equipment. Standard text: unless the structure makes it impossible, the means of access shall be located that the load will not pass over any employees. This employee working under a heavy load is a clear violation to standard 1926.605-B-8. Violation number three, standard number 1926.859-A. Standard title, Mechanical Demolition. Standard text: no worker shall be permitted in any area which can be adversely affected by demolition operations. Only those workers necessary for the performance of the operation shall be permitted in this area at any other time. This worker working in the active demolition area is not permitted to be there, so that is a clear violation. Violation number four, standard number 1926.1425-B. Standard title would be Keeping Clear of the Load. Standard text: while the operator is not moving the suspended load, no employee must be within the fall zone. So this employee is clearly under the suspended load, which is rebar going into the cut pavement. So that is a clear violation. Compliance number five, standard number 1926.106-D. Standard title, Working over or near water. Standard text: at least one life-saving skiff shall be immediately available at the location where employees are working over or adjacent to water. And I have a firefighting life-saving skiff available to the workers if there was an accident. And that is all my violations and compliance. Thank y'all.